gonna show you how I get moody content like this. Okay, so moody content is actually quite simplistic. You just need the right room. We're literally setting up for moody content right now, so it's nice to see it in real time. Okay, so when it comes to moody content, what you're gonna need to do is film in a dark room. No natural light is very, very important. We have a room in our filming studio that has no light at all. It has no windows, but you can do this at home. Just get yourself some blackout curtains. That's gonna make a world of difference because you want your light to come from only your fake light source. So we're using one of our Lash bed lights here. You can use any type of lighting that works for you. We also, when we're doing moody content like this, we also have additional lights set up. So this is actually a spotlight. You can get it on Amazon. You don't necessarily need anything super fancy like this lighting here, but if you want to go above and beyond, this is great. I really like it for all types of content because you can create shadowy product shots like this, or use it to fill any room at all. We often point it at the ceiling right over where we're gonna be filming, and it helps create this perfect lighting for very cinematic shots.
This next part is super important. You want to make sure you have the right settings in your camera. I like to film in cinematic and then click my screen. See that little sun on the screen? You can pull it up for a more brighter effect like this, or pull it down for a more cinematic effect. This is how I like to film to get really cinematic, moody content.
The next thing you want to do is change your angles consistently. So I'm keeping that exposure down, and I'm gonna get some shots from further away. You can do this on a tripod. You don't necessarily need someone there with you, but it will add some time to your services. But for example, this is a great shot. You can also move in, come right above your client, and get some more as well.